What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Mr. Smash guys, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Anyways, we have a look on the application here called CashDonut. So you play games for earn. It's a new application that's out right now. So I'm gonna test it out for you guys. I've already tested out, I've already researched about it and so forth. So I'm just doing a review for you guys. So it released October the 2, 2025. So I would say very recently. So let's go ahead and open it. So this is pretty much the home screen. At the top you have the amount of coins that you have, the amount of coins that you have. You have the payout section, so show pretty much how much coins you will need to get. Let's say 1 cent, 5 cents, 20 cents, whatever the case is. Via PayPal, they only cash out via PayPal, guys. And here you have the earn option, which is pretty much where you go to earn or find games to play, to earn cash, as you can see here. So if I'm going to play this game here, let me tap on the more option. You can see what I'll be earning, how much coins I'll be earning, and how long I should be playing a game to earn that amount of coins. Let's go back. And down here it shows you pretty much how close you are to achieving this 1 cent here, which is crazy. And down at the invite option, this is pretty much where you go to invite your friends or your family to pretty much join on the game. So you can tap on the invite option here and you just copy this code here and share to their friends, or you share the link. Once they sign up using the link, you pretty much get 30% of their coins, and also any future coins that they earn, you get 15%. So to me, it's kind of like a pyramid scheme. Yes, pyramid scheme, guys. So that should be done. And over here we have the coins. So 300 coins, you get 1 cent for 300 coins, guys. That's crazy. 1 cent for 300 coins. And the next red flag for me is when I go in the earn section here, you can find apps to play and pretty much earn. So only one app them give me, this one here, which is the Black Smash. And you have the active section here, so pretty much it will show up once games are available. Anyways, this one here, if I complete all the tasks in this game, let's go back. If I complete all the tasks in this game, it will pretty much give me a total of almost 4,000 coins, as you can see here. So see another one here as well. This one will give me pretty much 3,400 coins. And let me just tap on more. And as I said before, you gotta play the game. So the longest is pretty much 488 minutes, 7 hours. So we played this game for 7 hours. Not just 7 hours. These other minutes here has to be added to the 7 hours. So once I've completed the 6 hour, it's more than a day, guys. It's more than a day. I'll call it a day. You'll be playing this game for a day. Let's call it a day. I would say a day, full day. Once you complete the task, let's say you play for 1 minute, it will take up to 2 days before you actually see the coins in your account. As you can see, 2 days. That to me too long. They should have added like, for you to get the coins instantly. 2 days? Brother, that's a red flag for me. But it does cash out, guys. It does cash out and do get your 1 cent. But to be playing game for that long, and the most amount of coins you'll be getting is let's say 4,000 coins, and you only make it like 20 cents. Bro, 20 cents will be playing the game for like hours. I'm not doing that, bro. So, for me, I would be playing this game. No, I'm not playing this game. So I'll be playing this game for hours and only make 20 cents. Nah, bro, no. Me nah do that, brother. No, guys, I don't think that sound good. But if I don't want to test it out on myself, I can go ahead. But as I'm telling you, to me personally, I wouldn't recommend anyone to this application. That's crazy. To be playing, no, bro, no. And over here, pretty much I have the payout section to how much thing you receive. When you cash out your 1 cent, I go over this the history section. So yeah, that's pretty much for the app. And I think this app is pretty much a waste of time, but if you're into the playing games, or if you like playing games, then the app is for you. But for me, I'm not playing them games for 7 hours just to get 20 cents. No. And the invite friends option to me looks like a pyramid scheme. So I'm not doing that part either. So yeah, but you can earn extra money with the invite friends option. So yeah, guys, but I would recommend it to anyone. But yeah, that's just pretty much my review on this application. So if I miss anything you want to ask me questions about, you can comment below. If you have any question at all you want to ask me, just comment below. I see I can help you out. Yeah, that's all. That's it. See you in the next one.